welcome back to Java Code Academy. In our last video, we will learn how to create a method to save time. But today, we are going to add a superpower in Java called method overloading. Imagine you want to create a method to add numbers. You write added of int a comma int b. Great, but what if you want to add three numbers? Or what if you want add decimal numbers or doubles? In some old programming languages, you would have create different names like add two name ints and add three names ints, add doubles. This is messy and hard to remind. In Java, we don't do that. We can use the same name of all of them. This is called method overloading. Method overloading is a feature that allows a class to have more than one method with the same name, provided their parameter lists are different. So, what is the rule? You can have you can have multiple methods with the same name as long as the first parameters are different. This means you must change either the number of parameters 2 versus 3 arguments or the type of parameters int versus double. In real example of this System.out.println, have you noticed can pass text, number or true or false into it? That isn't magic. It's method overloading inside Java. There are actually separate print methods for every single data type, but they all share the same name to make life easier. Let's jump into the code. Let's see how to build. And one final warning. You cannot overload a method just by changing the return type. Java only look at the inputs parameters to design them. That's it. That's it for today. In the next video, we will look at scope understanding where your variable live and die. Don't forget to subscribe.